I'm Anthony Drizis, and joining me this morning for the opening bell is Fran Rodilosso, Portfolio Manager of Market Vectors ETFs. How are you doing this morning? You just rung the bell. How does it feel?
Feels great, Anthony. Thank you very much.
So, Fran, can you tell me about the ETFs that you're celebrating and what's unique about each one?
Sure. We launched 3 new high-yield ETFs. One is IHY, which is International High Yield, basically all of the issuers outside of the United States. Secondly, we did Fallen Angel, ANGL is the ticker, which represents a small segment of the U.S. high-yield market, those bonds that were originally issued as investment-grade securities but have since fallen in the high-yield category. And thirdly, high-yield emerging markets, HYEM, which is just that, high-yield bonds from emerging markets.
What type of investors would you say would be interested in these ETFs?
Well, both retail and institutional. These are high-yielding investments. They offer dividends and current income, but they are risky investments in that they are high-yield securities, so people who also know what they're doing.
What role would these ETFs play in a portfolio?
They offer both, as I mentioned, yield and diversification. These are designed to offer areas of the high-yield market that people don't necessarily have exposure to yet.
And how important is it that fixed investors are diversified outside of the USA?
Look, it's a matter of choice, but over 35% of the global high yield market is outside of the United States, so if you're not invested there, you're missing a big part of it.
Well, Fran, thanks for joining us here at the New York Stock Exchange, and congratulations.